Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use dynamic wallpaper in iPhone on iOS 18. So first of all, there are a few steps that need to be followed. Okay, step number 1, go to your settings, then search for the battery option, which is right here. Tap on the battery. Then if your low power mode is turned on just like this, then you need to simply turn it off. Okay, now step number 2, go back to the settings of your iPhone, use the search bar at the top and search for reduce motion. Okay, you'll get the reduce motion option. So now if it is turned on just like this, you need to simply turn it off. Okay, so this is the second step. Now go back to the home screen just like this. Now swipe swipe the screen from the top center. Okay, just like this. So you'll be here on this screen. Now again press and hold at any empty place on this screen. Okay, so I'm going to press just beside the flashlight at the bottom of the screen in the center, and you'll get this option, right? Then you can see the plus sign, the plus blue sign. Okay, you need to click there. Now again scroll down till you find the iOS 18 wallpapers. Okay, now not every one of them is a dynamic wallpaper. Okay, you need to go back, you need to go to the right side of the screen. Okay, and select the last one, or maybe you can check other one. So I am going to select the last one just like this. Right, now again simply click here, swipe it to the right side until you see dynamic written here. Okay, you can see yellow written, pink written. Okay, just like this. So swipe it to the right side to go to the left side, and you'll see the dynamic option. So once you see this, click on add at the top of the screen. Now set as wallpaper pair, or you can go and customize the home screen. Okay, so right now I'm going to click on set as wallpaper pair. Okay, so now it is done. Now one more thing to notice is that it won't change colors every now and then. Okay, it will change the colors, or it will show the dynamic wallpaper kind of thing throughout the day. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.